Welcome to our online classes. Basavashri Free Primary and Higher Primary School, Ilkal. Subject GK. Lesson number 2, India's Heritage.
India's heritage. Heritage refers to things and traditions which are passed down through the years from one generation to the next. Natural heritage is what the earth has given us. India had a glorious past, and we have a lot of cultural and material heritage too. Cultural heritage refers to practices and traditions followed by our ancestors. Material heritage refers to artifacts and monuments. Any property that was built or created in the past and still exists today, even if it is in ruins, forms a part of our material heritage. Cultural and material heritage is of great historical importance, as it reflects the culture and beliefs of a particular society, as well as the art and architecture of that particular period in history. India has a glorious past, which is reflected in several historic structures that were built by our ancestors. From north to south and east to west, India has a rich heritage of ancient monuments like forts, palaces, temples, pillars, and stupas. These are complete treasure troves of knowledge, as they tell us about the people who lived in those times, the kind of dresses and ornaments they wore, their occupation, their lifestyle, etc. These ancient cultural treasures hold a great significance in the history and civilization of the world. Quite a few of these structures have been declared as World Heritage Monuments, like the Sun Temple in Konark, Red Fort in Delhi. Rajasthan is dotted with massive forts like Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur, Amer Fort in Jaipur, Chittorgarh Fort in Chittorgarh, etc., and magnificent palaces, some of which have been converted into heritage hotels and museums. Fatehpur Sikri, a city built by Emperor Akbar in 1569 near Agra, was abandoned just after 15 years. It houses the tomb of Sufi saint Sheikh Salim Chishti, who was revered by both Muslims and Hindus. There is a 24 feet high iron pillar at Qutub Minar. It was originally set up at Mathura by King Kumaragupta about 1500 years ago. Later, it was shifted to Delhi. Scientists have studied this pillar in great detail to figure out how it has remained rust-free for 1500 years. Kanchipuram, a city in Tamil Nadu, considered to be one of the 7 sacred cities of India, once boasted of 1000 temples. Now, only 20 remain. The Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, Karnataka, has the distinction of being the second largest dome in the world. St. Peter's Basilica in Rome has the largest dome. It measures 44 meters in diameter and stands without pillars to this day. It was completed in 1656. Can we boast of building such structures now? The 29 caves of Ajanta and 17 caves of Ellora in Aurangabad, Maharashtra are the finest examples of harmony between Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stupa at Sanchi, a small town about 46 kilometers away from Bhopal, is one of the earliest works of Buddhist architecture. The stupa, brick mound, was built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC. It is made of brick and stone. There are beautiful carvings on the gates of the stupa. The stupa is a World Heritage Site and it is the best preserved stupa in the world. The Bhimbetka Caves is an archaeological site in Madhya Pradesh. These caves have more than 700 rock-cut shelters that belong to the prehistoric age. Some of the oldest prehistoric paintings can be seen here and they have been preserved quite well. Out of the 24 World Heritage Sites recognized by UNESCO in India, this is the oldest one. 7 Wonders of the World. The 7 most remarkable creations of the world are: the Great Wall of China in China was first built in the 7th century BC. This wall covers the northern border of China along the east and west line of the country. The Great Wall extends to 21,196 kilometers. Petra al-Batra, located in Ma'an, Governorate of Jordan, was built in 312 BC. It is a rock-cut architecture, which means it has been sculpted out from a whole rock where it exists. It is also called the Rose City because of the pinkish color of its rock. The Colosseum in Rome, Italy, was built in 70 AD. It is an elliptical amphitheater which could hold 50,000 to 80,000 people at one time. Chichen Itza in Yucatan, Mexico, was built in 600 AD. It was probably the largest of the Mayan cities and had some mythical importance for the Mayan people. Machu Picchu in Cuzco region, Peru, was built in 1438 AD. It is the site of Inca civilization and is located 2,430 meters above sea level. Taj Mahal in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India, was built in 1632 AD. This is a monument made of white marble. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built it in memory of his third wife, Queen Mumtaz Mahal. Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, was built in 1926 AD. It is the largest statue in the world. This structure is 30 meters tall. Its arms stretch to 28 meters. It stands on an 8-meter pedestal. It is located at the peak of the 700-meter Corcovado mountain in the Tijuca Forest National Park overlooking the city. The Great Pyramid of Giza, situated in the Giza Necropolis in Egypt, was built in 2589 BC. It is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. This is an ancient monument that includes the 3 pyramid complexes known as the Great Pyramids and the surrounding complexes. The Great Sphinx is also a part of this complex.
Thank you for watching.